That's right. I don't like being compared to the post office
Yeah.
because nobody here goes postal
No.
unless you're making bad trades and coach might go postal on you.
You guys have your plans? We posted the number. Anybody not have the numbers right now? Anybody not have the numbers? Anybody not have a plan written down? Gresley, welcome aboard. As a trial member, you'll know a couple of things, Gresley. We strongly recommend just you observe. If you've been trading 10 years, just don't trade today. Just listen, take notes, ask questions. We love questions. If we're right in the middle of a trade, we'll just defer it. We'll say, hey, in a couple of minutes, we're trailing our stop, blah, blah, blah. And, you'll learn it. We'll probably use jargon, not on purpose. You'll hear 15 range short, M trade. And then you'll get it. And then the idea is to sign. There were a couple of earlier about M trade and W trade. We've got nice videos on that.
Very short, concise, to the point videos that show you the trade setups. Once you become a member, it's just $99 a month right now. So let's get ready for the open, guys. Your job as trial members, sit back, watch, prepare to be amazed. If you're going to take trades, do it paper trading, sim trade. Try to get the lay of the land. The best thing you can do in your 3 days as a trial is participate. Everybody here is helpful. Our members will answer your questions. We'll answer your questions. We're here to help, guys. Our goal is to have daily profitable traders. Obviously, you will have some losing trades, but overall, as the coach says, over time, you will be successful. You should, in any given number of 12 trades, you should be green, given the statistics.
Yeah.
Welcome
if you
aboard.
You have a good setup, you're just not sure to get in or not. One at the market. Practice again. Practice. It's okay to make mistakes in the beginning. That's why choose as a let's say an elite. We're going to review. We'll go over. All right, this is what you can add. This it works out. Good morning, Jason.
Good
Tim,
morning.
as one of our stars for the month, and that's been, everything is to become successful.
Member of the month. Well, what has Tim done to be successful? What do we have? Oh, open for business, guys. No trading first 6 minutes. Newbies, no trading unless you have permission specifically from a coach. No trading for the first 6 minutes. I think coach is resetting his charts. We are ready to rock and roll. Let's see here. Can you guys hear me? All right, good deal. No trading first 6 minutes. I can share my charts if coach is going to be gone for a minute. We are in a downtrend this morning, and make sure to be safe. I did take a quick short here, guys. But again, first, no trading first 6 minutes for new people, unless you have explicit permission from a coach. Let me share my charts till coach gets his back online. Oop, not sure if I can do that. I am in a weird spot. Let me check on coach, guys. But we do have a sell signal. I am short and trailing. So please, if you're in with me, make sure to take profits on the contract. And is there anybody short right now? Thank you, Trucking. Yeah, we're safe. Just got a couple more hurdles to jump over for us. All right. That is a long signal against us. So squeeze your stop sounds, guys. Get close. And let's see if I can get my chart shared here in just a second. Good job, Tim. Good job. A few more minutes for you newbies, newer people out there. Unless you have permission to trade, don't trade. We got a few more minutes. Good job, Randy. Great job, guys. Let me see what happened to coach's charts. Give me 1 second. Oh no. I don't have my normal setup, guys, because I'm not obviously evacuated for the hurricane. So I'm going to try to share my charts. Is there anybody else? Coach Wilbur, Tara, can you guys share your charts?
Hey, Brian.
Hey.
How you doing?
I'm going to try to share my charts, but I think because not in my normal setup, I don't know if it's going to work right. Let's see here.
Give it a try.
Show the room. And then let's see if we can do this. See if you guys see my charts now?
We see him, Brian.
Yes,
All
sir.
right. Fantastic. Okay, I can't respond to chat because I can't see the chat screen. So if you guys, or Tara, if you want to share your charts, that'd be grateful.
Then you can do the chat.
Yeah, I could watch the chat and everything if that's okay.
Yeah, that sounds good, Brian.
Okay, I appreciate that. Just
No problem.
out of my normal environment. I'm still trailing this one. Just one contract here, guys.
Do you want me to turn on Sakasa?
You can. You don't have to.
I can't change the settings in mine for some reason, so I don't know if it'd have your settings anyway on it.
Mine will beep in the background.
Yep.
So it's okay.
All righty, sounds good.
Thank
Sorry.
you. I'm still trailing one. And we are almost at 6 minute mark. Keep in mind, guys, most days I just got informed coach's internet and everything, everything went out. So hopefully he'll be back online soon. Still trailing, guys. Let's use how many contracts do you guys have left? Let me see if Coach Tara's got her chart shared yet. No.
They're up there, Brian, but
All right, fantastic.
sometimes it's easier if you shut your screen down sometimes.
Yep, got it. All right, fantastic.
I can put a little less real estate. I do put a bit of real estate on mine.
That's all right.
Is that okay?
Yep, there is another long signal against us. So just squeeze your stops down a little bit more. Who is in short right now? You guys still in? Nice job, guys. Nice job. This is our moneymaker this morning. Good job, Claude. Keep in mind, it is now 9:37, so you can trade. What you guys want to wait for is wait for the stochastics to come back up, and let's get back in short. Those that are in there. All of you guys on trial, just sit back, watch, relax. If you're going to trade, make sure to do it on a simulator with live market data, so you can try to follow along your job during your trial period. The reason we don't unlock the videos, training videos to you until you join as a member is just we want you to sit in the room and see if you just kind of can understand what we're talking about, and if you even like how we talk about things. So just make sure to participate, ask questions. Those of you would. I would say how them 16 react at 29,416. Well, I mean, realistically, guys, after the sell-offs we've had, the moves we had, we should really think that the next couple of days should be treated like inside days. Lulu's losing power. Well, the storm's right over you now. I think, Lulu, or close to over you, just past you. Thank you, Trucking. We do a pretty good job. We want to make sure you're safe. Tara, could you hit the arrow on your 133 chart? Move it make sure it's all the way to the right there. I'm still trailing one. I have my last one now attached to the 89. I took profits on 2 contracts already. So just trailing and selling. I will add on a retracement or get stopped out at 89 and do a first structural short again. Depends on what happens with market. So, Coach Harry, do you mind hitting the arrow on the top right of your 133 chart? Sorry, I haven't been in as much as I have as much this week. Obviously, we had the hurricane and had some family situations that needed to be dealt with. So it's like, you know what they say, the things yeah, she must have stepped away. It's all right. I'll walk you guys through it until she gets back.
Sorry, Brian.
If you don't mind, just hitting arrow on the right of the 133 to make it adjusted. Fantastic. So, guys, we're just going to sit and wait for Yep. The best thing to do, guys, is if you're in an iffy power situation, get your stop attached to an indicator fast in profits. And then that way, if your power goes out, you don't have to worry. You don't have to freak out. It's still running. It's still doing its thing. Yep. Life comes before trading. Stay short, guys. Those of you who weren't short, you could have gotten in short on that flag. Sorry, I should have called that for you. You had an M entry there, a little tiny M entry. I know it's not high stochastics, but we are looking short this morning. So just make sure to look for the retracements. And if you don't mind hitting the F on your 15 range there, that'd be great. Perfect.
Let me bring that up a little bit.
All right, guys, there was another flag there you could have gotten short on. Now, if you're not in, everybody's in short now and taking some profits, right? We are well into this trade. This is our 100-point runner right off the bat. flat guy. It's a trade signal against us. So if you took the flag entry, you should be flat now. Okay, good job, guy. Great job. Good job, Tim. All right, Spencer, you're flat with profits, right? Now let's just wait for a retracement, guys. 100 point. I am still short one contract, just holding on to it. Everybody, nobody's responding to me. Can you guys hear me? Are you guys short? Sometimes I feel like I'm talking to myself, right? Hugo's still short. Coach Sarah's still short. Marco's still short. Good. KMC's not in. Young Fab's still short. All right. Hugo's a bad man, trading both ways this morning. Man, he's flat. I'm assuming you guys took profit. Claude's still short. Coach Wilbur's still short. Good job, guys. It's amazing how there can be 150 people and 7 people respond. All right. Good job, everybody. So there's 2 ways here. This is another little M. Looks like it's forming here. Like we talked about last week, guys, if you're going to take it, if you just took that short right there, get yourself into profits quick. Who was it saying yesterday that the push up was because of the QE from Bank of England? Follow my stops, Tim. You know how to do it, buddy. Get in. Don't be scared, especially if I'm telling you to do it. We're going to ride this puppy out. That's right, Aaron. You dirty cockroach. We got a Cucaracha trade in first thing. Trail and sell, guys. Everybody should be short. Everybody is in the trade now short, right? If not, missed your chance. Everybody. I said prepare to be amazed. Good job, Spencer. All right. Flag probably, Tim, at this point. That way you don't have to take a lot of risk. But we any retracement. So right now that there's a little green bar that you saw. So now you don't want to be in. So here's the deal. Like I said, you missed it now. Now you want to wait for another reason. You need to look for a retracement now. Guys, if you know we've moved let me see here. Since the flag entry, we're already down another 100 points. So you could use that flag. We've already almost taken every gain from yesterday back.
Trying to make that more like people see. I use 2 screens, so it's hard to. Trying to make
wait
it.
for a retrace. Yep, that's all good. Wait for a retracement, guys.
Okay, internet back on.
Hey, look at that.
Just went out like literally like 2 seconds before the open. And yeah, it's been weird.
Well, Coach, we just had a 100-point runner.
Yeah, see it right there.
Some of us had a couple 100-point runner right off the open. And
nice.
Even the people that went in when I told them to go in should have 100 points in their pocket and trailing. Keep your stops a little looser now, guys. So those of you who got back in a little bit, got in quote unquote late, you can keep your stops looser. If your entry price is anything above 330, keep your stop a little looser. Now we do have a W forming against us, so you may want to squeeze your stops down now. Go ahead and squeeze your stops down a little bit. Take your profits. Now you guys that haven't been in a trade can just wait for a retracement let this market rally back up, then get ready to jump back in short. Yep. There's a M forming, but again, let's let it rally a little bit, guys. I'm still short with one, as you guys know, but I took that short on the pivot break. So I've been
Those who were in earlier, remember how we showed you how to get into a market that's already moving? You take that little retracement and then just put your sell stop right under that low support point and get right back into the trade. Very easy.
That's exactly what I told him, Coach.
Yeah,
Fantastic. See, we can read each other's mind.
Yeah. And it's funny, you have the hurricane and he's broadcasting, and we have sunny skies here, a little light breeze, and we can't get in. It's weird.
It's crazy.
Hey, Coach, do you want to share your screen? Are you able to do that with your internet?
I can do it now. Yeah. And if it pops out, you just set yours back in, and it's great. Thank you.
No problem.
I would share mine, guys, but again, I'm in a location that I'm not normally used to, and I don't have my travel screen with me, which I normally would have. So it's a little harder with one screen. And managing trades.
There's your short, guys. There's see that right there? 255. Or now, if you miss that one, wait for the next one. Now it's going to pop up and then hook down. These are all great setups. And the cool thing, you don't need a huge stop. You'll get right back in. See right here? Now just wait for another one.
All right.
I have a gap on here, guys, simply because the internet was out.
$235. Don't worry. Don't worry about the price. Look at the actual candle formation, JW.
Yeah.
For your entry. So this looks like an M forming, right?
Yep.
So you could have taken the 15 range short and taken profits at.
Here's what it looks like on a sim, guys. The stop is already pulled down to 262. You see that? This is Sakasa. So it's taken one off. I'm only doing 2 contracts at a time. And now manually I can lock in like that and say, all right, now I make $15 on my second contract if that's what happens. Boom, out. See that? $50 and 15. And I don't have to worry if it goes back up again. Keep doing it. You can do this all day long. It beats if you're very slow on the draw and you go, wow, I'm up 20 points. I wonder if I should ask to go, oops, I'm stopped out. This will solve that problem. Commission is less than 1 tick. So like if you made 3 ticks, I made like $11.50 plus the 50. Commission is not a factor.
Wow, the transformer is exploding. And
Oh,
really,
boy.
it's not Bumblebee. He's my favorite transformer.
Yeah, Tom Cruise. Did he play in a Transformer movie?
I don't think so.
No, somebody else did. There's some other actor.
It was always that guy. What's his name?
Yeah, he's fighting the. Forget that.
Oh, Marky Mark.
Oh yeah, yep. There you go.
Marky Mark.
Yep.
I still call him Marky Mark from back in the day.
Yeah, Marky Mark.
Not a big fan of his hamburger chain though.
The Wahlburger.
Yeah, they're not as good. I like my burgers huge and juicy.
You know, there's Whataburger here. Anybody ever try that? I've never gone. You know, it's like 2 Whataburgers.
Yeah, I did a Whataburger somewhere. I didn't like that very much either. Guy, Marky Mark. I'm 42, guy, so I'm not that old.
If you think Coach is old, you don't want to hear my references.
He's talking
Howdy Doody, and everybody remember Howdy Doody? You know, believe it or not, guys, there was at one time one television show on. No multi-channel. There was one, and then the rest was test patterns.
Get a ham radio. There's a somewhat of a first touch rule, short guys. Make sure the stochastics hook.
I'll be honest, I'm afraid to trade cash right now with the internet so wobbly.
Yeah, I would be the same way, Coach.
Yeah.
Honestly, guys, we had such a big sell-off this morning. Watch the ticks. But you should be able to take a little bit of profit on this pretty quick.
Yeah.
And there you go. Get your contract. Make sure to take profits. Get your contracts to break even as quick as possible.
Sakasa just put me in anyway without my knowledge at 294 because I still have that auto traded.
Who's in short now, guys? Trail your stops. Squeeze your stop down. You guys following me?
Look at Howdy Doody.
You guys following me? Chanel, great job. Young Fab, Stuart, Jeremy. You
There it
guys
is. I'm not doing anything.
missed the both of us together. Good job, Mike V. Brad,
Coach in a bottle.
Coach in a bottle.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Price.
Squeeze your stops, guys. Trail your stop. Make sure everybody should have a stop in profit now, taking profit on at least one contract. Everybody should have taken profit on at least one contract and have your stop in the profit. Just squeeze it a couple ticks in a profit. And then keep moving your stop down every time it makes a little low.
Does everybody see that red bar? That's the auto stop that Picasa is putting in. Obviously, you can take control on your own. You don't have to be so tight with it, but it's a good tool. It's stopped out. You see that? Another trade. Same profit target. Now, if you're more of a swing trader, you're not going to be wiggling for 3 ticks.
Guy, before you go, good job. We've got a new done for the day thing here. Here's your done for the day, guy.
Good job. Love it.
Will Trade's done for the day. We got 2 more, another gong.
Yeah.
Good job, Will Trade.
Young guys,
done for the day. Nice. Why you get a 200-point runner on the open? It's hard not to be done for the day, right? There we go, Young Fab.
Great job, Young Fab.
We're gonna have gongs going off all day today. Good job, guys.
Seriously, guys, when I was losing money and my first coach advised me if I ever had a 100-point runner on the first trade, there's no way I would have had any advice. Oh, what should I do next? Huh? Well, do you get out of here? You're supposed to leave.
Yeah. First is 100-point, 200-point runner. You just leave. Be done.
Yeah. Why give it back? The market wants your money back. Good practice. Yep. Great job, Jay. Yeah, we're working on Sakasa. It's just, obviously it's a longer process than, these fly-by-night companies introduce anything, they slap it out there. We are working with Ninja Trader, and they are obviously a substantial company. They don't just deal with idiots. So,
nice job, Tim.
Coach Brian has to convince them that I'm not an idiot. He said, no, that's okay.
We are pretty close. We've had, obviously we coach out last week, hurricane this week.
Yeah.
Some people in the company have been sick this week, so we've had We've had some challenges the past couple weeks, so it's slowed things down. But starting today, we'll get back on track. Tim gets a gong. Fine, Tim. Since you're the member of the month, you get the gong for the day. Nice job, Tim. Tim is member of the month for a very specific reason.
You actually are pretty close. Yeah, somebody just 29193 was today's downside. And actually, we did break 29,000 yesterday, guys, as you know. Coach was out, but we did celebrate. We did pay you homage.
Thank you.
He was the most recent proponent of it. Got people on the bandwagon.
JW, I'll tell you one thing, JW. Instead of spending money on those eval accounts, get into the group coaching, the $299 group coaching for 1 month. Do your trade log, and let's get you going in the right track before you spend money on those stupid eval accounts again, JW.
Yeah.
Yeah. Does that make sense, JW? Get your trade logs done. You'll get a couple coaching sessions with me. Get to do the group coaching and office hours, which will resume next week due to the hurricane this week. We had to cancel office hours, but are you good with doing that, JW? We'll get you on the right track.
Lope needs
Lopez done for the day. All right. Told you this is going to be going off all day. Love it.
Yeah. Good job, Lope. Seriously.
All right. I'm just saying, JW, I'm not going to force you into it, but I'm just saying it might be worth, what are you spending, like $80, $90 per an account? Spend a couple extra $100 for 1 month to get yourself on track for those eval accounts.
Yeah, think about it, guys. What Coach is saying, I mean, it is logical. In any other field, it's pretty logical. Imagine saying, I want to do a couple of orthopedic surgeries first, then I'm going to go and enroll in medical school so I could save some.
All right. Well, JW, at least fill out your trade log, right? Download, fill out the trade log, send it to me. I'll send you some comments back. How about that, JW?
Yeah.
We're here to help. You guys know that. You guys know. Oh, Rad's done for the day.
Mm-hmm.
Nice. Fill out the trade log. We'll email you back if you fill out your trade log. No matter what level member you are, if you do a trade log, send it to us, email it to us. We will send you comments back, no matter what level member you are. Standard, pro, elite, doesn't matter. Obviously, pro and elite, you get the hand holding. And elite gets some one-on-one stuff, but if you're a standard trade room member, still fill out your trade logs. It'll help you tremendously.
Think about it, guys. These eval companies want you to lose money right away.
They do,
right? So you can keep feeding the beast. They don't want you. Do you think they want to deal with the world's best trader on the planet? No. They don't want to share risk with anybody. They'd like you to keep losing forever and ever and ever and never learn anything.
Bingo.
Well, actually, Jay, I mean, if you took the course, remember, I've been using it for over 20 years in my head. It's to the good graces of Hugo that he programmed what I've been doing all the time. It is a retracement trade. If you think about it, I could give you the rules. It's just most people don't have the mental discipline to check everything out quickly before they press the button. That's all. Think of Tom Brady. He doesn't just look at one guy and fixate on the wideout because the linebacker's going to nail him. So he's got to look at everything and know who's missing their block. And then am I going to step up? Am I going to duck? And I've got 2.3 seconds. So all I'm doing, it's like another version of pro football. You watch everything. Most people don't. The program will watch everything. If you program 15 range. If you program JTHMA, stochastic, it's going to evaluate all those things before it ever pushes the button. And that's what people don't realize. Got a sell signal again right here, guys. 29,215.
I'm still trailing, guys. Hopefully you guys got back in on that one trade. How many people are short now that aren't done for the day?
I am. Got back in.
Good job. Good job, guys.
Just got
You're
back
trailing
in.
short now. You had a nice little M top. Good short entries. Back to 29,000. Here we come. Back to 29,000. Here we come. Don't jump in short now if you're not already short, guys. You guys should have been in. Let's see. Let's see if I can get you. Yeah, JW, and I think that will help with the trade log reviews. Okay, the trade log, and when you can get into the class, JW, that will help tremendously in the office hours. Being in late. That's actually good advice, Tim. Put your sell stop in, buy stop, whatever it is, if you're taking the 16 tick rule. And it will help you get a better entry. Bad Chad.
We've cleared our 193 target. My next target, 162.
Bad Chad. Yeah, it's just $99 to join Bad Chad. So once you join, you'll get all the videos. It's okay. Just watch. Do sim trades. Just sim trade, Bad Chad. No need to jump right in with us.
Yep. 162, guys.
You can use the chart trader JW on your 15 range, and it'll help you with those buy and sell stops. Sorry, Coach. Go ahead.
That's all right. Next target, 29,162.
I do have two short guys. I did exactly what I told you guys I was gonna do on the rally. Added a contract. So
You watch your ticks also, guys. High tick read.
yeah, we hear that a lot of times, Bad Chad. That what we do is way less stressful than what other people have done in the past. Because we're patient. We're going to be very patient. We're going to wait for good high probability setups and then execute trail. And if we lose, we typically try to take a small loss, get out of it, and go to the next one. Well, all right. So JW, you got to be aware on the breakout trades, right? Those work in certain market conditions. In some conditions, that's going to bite you in the rear. So just make sure that you know what condition you're in. What like that Kenny was it Kenny Loggins? Kenny Rogers? What condition my condition was in? There's a sell signal. I wouldn't take it right now at this point. Let the stochastics hook a little bit before you do it. Definitely watch the videos, Bad Chad. Did you join Bad Chad? You joined as a member now already? No. Oh, great. Good to have you. Glad you're here. We got a good Chad and a bad Chad now. Right? We got Chad, our normal Chad, and then now we have bad Chad. I love it. There it is. I'll take a portion of profits, guys. You guys are short now, right? Those who
Chad, do you know where your next target is? 162. 29. Just put your limit order there. Trail you stop.
we need to lose Chad. We don't need a good Chad. Oh, we
Either
need to
Chad.
lose Chad. We need a good job, guys. Should be profitable in this trade. If anything, flat now. And Chad's forward. Good job. All right, guys. Let's relax a little bit. Chit chat, BS, whatever. We've had what, 3 or 4 really good trades, and that's enough for the morning. And it's just 10 o'clock.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
It is pretty cool. It makes life a little less stressful when you can get 100, 200 points right off the open. All right, KMC, like it. Super green. Everybody's green this morning, right? Still, everybody's still green. Nobody did anything
Absolutely.
crazy. Jumped
Yeah.
in, tried jumping in. At the bottom. Yes, nice job. Great, guys. Everybody's green. Hashtag feels good. I like to say hashtag blessed in the words of Mr. Bruno Mars. There is a short signal if you guys want to take it, but I am sitting on the sidelines because I'm still trailing 2 contracts on the 89, deep into profit. So I'm not really doing anything right now. I'm gonna walk you guys through it if you guys really need to. Shh, money. I love it, Marlon, when you say that. It's shh, money. And we are at an area of support, ladies and gentlemen, so be aware of that.
If you're still short, guys, there are 2 targets you can have: 29,180 and 29,162. Everybody hear me? 29,180, 29,162. Target 1. And almost target 2. Not yet. Order filled. I have 1 left. My stop is 182. Anybody still short? 182 is my trailing stop. Anybody still short? Good job, Tony K. And Lulu. 182
Nice job,
is
guys.
the flat.
Nice job, everybody.
Got to be real quick in this. It is, guys, you have 47 average true range. Like Coach said, that's it. This is my last trade. Plus, I'm starting to get a little tired. Probably going to be a good time to take a break.
I will stay here with them, Coach, and make
Great.
sure nobody does anything bad.
Yeah.
Gets out of line, whatever it is.
Guys are amazing. And not only the system,